to Beauties of Africa, and today we're doing the beach, a small beach vlog, and we're taking this beach vlog from the Tirupati vlog. Remember, we told you that we are going to the beach and we shall be uploading a small video, and that is this video. So stay tuned till the end of the video to see the beach.
And the beach is, guess what? Lake Victoria.
Yeah.
That's our beach, and there's so many nice waves which touch on our faces. They splashed on us. That was so good. Look at this. Looks like it's better at the beach. And this one, I think. So guys, small beach vlog right here, and it is so nice, windy and stuff, and I really wish I were to the beach. And guys, I never even noticed we were going to come to the beach, and I wore the perfect t-shirt for that. That was good. So guys, we're at the beach and we're enjoying here. Even they asked whether we needed drinks. We were like tired, so we ordered some few drinks, and there is a fish factory over there. That is Prakash Uncle's fish factory, and we will be going there one day and taking a video.
So guys, as you can see, a fisherman going in a boat. He's trying to get fishes, and the main fishes we get is the tilapia and Nile perch. And this is Lake Victoria, guys, the biggest lake in East Africa or Africa. I'm not sure about East Africa or Africa. And here are some sitting places just in front of the beach.
Guys, this is a Marabu stork. It is a large wading bird in the stork family. Wherever human habitation is, that's where mostly these Marabu stork are found, and you can take so many pics of them and videos too. It is sometimes called the Undertaker bird due to its shape from behind. Guys, look how huge this Marabu stork are.
So fat and cute.
Yeah, it looks puffy today.
Okay guys, this video has come to an end and we're going back home, and in this way, look, we wanted to show you the beautiful beach. That's why we showed it to you. It was a small video, I know that, guys. There are more other beautiful beaches like this we're gonna show you. Look at this house. It was built illegally, so they're removing it from there. That's why you can see the truck removing it. The view is awesome, guys. I really love the greenery and everything.
So guys, this video has really came to an end, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe.
Bye.